Hey everyone, welcome back to Quincy Studios. Today, let's take deep look into the world of AI image generation, putting some of the biggest tools to the test to see which one really delivers the best results. We'll be looking at creativity, realism, speed, and value, and by the end, I'll review which one wins. Let's get started. We have lots of tools for AI image generation, but let's dive into tools that are known to give us stunning realism, which promises quick results and an easy interface. To make this fair, I'll use the same prompts for each tool. The prompts used will be in the description box below. Let's see how each AI interprets it.
It's Chatgpt. Then you paste your prompts, then you click on the attach and take the image you are using from your folder, then you send it. So let's go to the second one. Let's go to Canva. You're going to be surprised at how does Canva generates images. Yes, Canva does. So you just click on the upload image, then you take the image we are using, then paste your prompt, then send. Let's see what it's going to give to us. You go to ink fields, paste your prompt, upload your image, that same image, then send. The next one is Google AI Studio. You just paste your prompt, then upload the image. Then you run, you send it. Then we'll go to Ideogram. The Ideogram, we're going to click on create image, then you have to generate your own personal image before you can create that same image that you want. So it's just like a character, getting a character of a consistent face. That face needs to be consistent. So after putting your prompt, you send it. Xfield is still loading. So let's see the ones that have been generated. The node is not going. So this is Grok. Then you put your image, you upload your image. Just like that. Let's just like that. Then you send it. Then the Seedream, we have to get the character first before generating an image. So let's get the character. I'm going to name it Queen. Then you upload your image from your folder or from your gallery if you're making use of phone. Then this image we are using, we are going to use that same image. Then you send. So it's generating. Let's see other things, other ones that we've generated, other images that we've generated to see if it's ready as we wait for that one. So as you can see, this is Nano Banana is ready. This is Canva. Canva is giving us something else. So, hey, am I a man? This is Grok. Grok did not give us that exact face. It's not giving us the exact face we need. Then this is Xfield. Xfield is still sleeping. What's happening to Xfield now? Let's go to Google AI Studio. Wow, I love this. I love this. This is nice. Making it so realistic. Then the ideogram. Is it true with the generation? So let's go back to this is the ideogram. Let's regenerate I don't know what's happened. Let's just regenerate. Okay, then you send. One thing about Ideogram is that it's very fast. So X field, you are still here. This is Canva. Canva, you are disappointing me. Let's create some. Let's still recreate it and see if it's going to give us that same thing. This is Nano Banana. Wow. So the Seedream is true. Let's now generate the image. Let's see the speed. Since others have been generated, this is Chatgpt. Okay. So let's regenerate the ideogram. This is how I generate my images. I open different kind of places. If I'm going into storytelling, I open a lot of and just generate them. I don't want to sleep there. I'm not sleeping there. So this is it. So the Seedream, you click on create image, then you put your prompt. Then you're going to ask you to put the image. You click on from the character, then you take that image that you've already generated, the character you've generated, then you create. Let's see what it's going to give to us. Croc, you did not try. So Canva have really messed us up, turning me into a man instead of a woman. Hi. So let's see the ideogram. Let's see what it's got for us. Wow, wow, wow. I love this. I love this. I love this. And the exact face. This is so nice. This is so nice. Wow. So hope people are already rating. As you're seeing this, you're already rating this the thumbnails. Hope you're rating it already because I'm taking my own rating as the thumbnail of this video. So this is the studio AI. Xfield, what is happening? I won't wait for you. What we are doing here is free generation. I'm showing my students free generation. I'm not paying them anything. Okay, this is Nano Banana. Wonderful. Wow, this is Seedream. Even after generating it as the last but not the least, it still came out fast. Wow. Wow. This is what I love this. I love this. And this Seedream 4.0 is one of the tools that came out for image generation. Wow.
You can use these AI tools to generate images. They are all free but has limits. So explore the world of AI. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get the right gist to explore.